Hey everybody, Genesis Jones here with Total G-Shockers, and in part 5 of this video series, we'll be walking through how to set the GPS signal receive interval and how to specify the distance unit on your GPRB1000 Rangeman. So let's get started. Now, if you haven't already, go back and check out the first 4 videos of this video series. In part 1, we talked about the GPS technology a bit, how to start using the navigation on your Rangeman, how to change the display scale, and how to check the distance to your destination. In part 2, we talked about how to return to a start point, better known as backtracking, how to stop navigation, and how to delete a destination. In part 3, we walk through how to register your current location and how to view registered points on your GPR Rangeman. And in part 4, we walk through how to set a registered point as a destination and also how to edit the navigation use history on your GPRB1000 Rangeman. That was a lot of information, so I encourage you to check those videos out right now. Alright, let's walk through how to set the GPS signal receive interval. So step 1, if the navigation operation is in progress, I want you to go ahead and stop it. We walk through how to stop the navigation in part 2 of this video series. Step 2, you want to press the rotary switch. Step 3, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to setting, then press the rotary switch. Step 4, you want to rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to interval, then press the rotary switch. Step 5 is to rotate the rotary switch to display the GPS receive interval that you want to use. Now, normal acquires location information every minute, while high rate acquires location information every few seconds. Then, once you selected which one you want, press the rotary switch. Step 6, press the bottom left button as many times as necessary to return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Now, just to note, the amount of time that navigation can be used depends on the receive interval setting. Now, when you want to perform long-term continual navigation, select the normal setting. Normal is 24 hours continuously, while the high rate is 4 to 5 hours continuously. So now that we've finished setting the GPS signal receive interval, let's walk through how to specify the distance unit. So step 1, if the navigation operation is in progress, I want you to go ahead and stop that. Again, we walk through how to stop navigation in part 2 of this video series. Now step 2, you want to press the rotary switch. This will display the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Step 3, you want to rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to setting, then press the rotary switch. Step 4, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to unit, then press the rotary switch. Step 5, you want to rotate the rotary switch to select the distance unit. Now, kilometer is putting the distance in kilometers and mile is putting the distance in miles. Then press the rotary switch. Step 6 is to press the bottom left button to return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. So there you go. That's how you set the GPS signal receive interval and specify the distance unit. And that's the end of the GPS series for the GPR Rangeman. Thanks so much for staying in there with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I hope that you were able to set up the different GPS functions on your Rangeman successfully. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we drop our next video. That's all for now. And as always, continue to rock your G-Shock nonstop. Deuces!